Hello, everyone. I think you all are having a good time. So, before I start, today's discussion, do let me know, because I'm trying this new method of doing a recording. So do let me know if how's the quality of the recording. Um, I have a couple of more things to discuss it with you guys. So one is that I'm getting a little lost. I don't know if you are if you really like the like what I'm doing or what I'm sharing with you guys so far, because I'm not getting any feedback from you guys. I am not getting any updates or comments or suggestions or anything of such sort. Plus, you know, the follower numbers have gone stagnant. Again, I'm not here to you know earn from it, but you know the number going stagnant means either not a lot of either not a lot many people are liking it, or they don't think it's worth sharing with others. I don't know. I mean, I'm a little lost here. Please do suggest that if really is this something which you guys are interested in, or should I not just waste my time and stop these recordings probably? So yeah, that's uh, that's the first thing. Second, second thing, uh, every Wednesday or Thursday, I'm going to post videos related to CV writing, interview preparations, and related to those areas. So obviously, consulting related, searches and all those things. Once I finish off these basic training, I'll start with, sharing the landscapes, how to create landscape and those kind of things. But again, these basic details are very important to go to that. So it's a humble request. If you really like, if you're if you s- if you think that this is adding value to your learning, please do share. At least that would give me a feedback, or I'll understand that what is you guys uh, uh, you are interested in or whatnot. Also, I just was reading something and I got to know that you know Hindi videos have better outreach. So kindly suggest that should I switch to Hindi? I can definitely do that if it increases the outreach, or if you are interested to only interested if I only go in the English versions. Obviously, I cannot go and do both both the recordings, Hindi and English, of the same thing. So yeah, if Hindi is something which you are okay with, you all are okay with. So yeah, do let me know. At least I can switch it to Hindi and then share it with you guys. If that makes it easier to understand and easy to share. So yeah, this is about that. Uh, Getting little demotivated. Not sure if you guys are interested. So please, let me know if this is interesting enough, and you think that that adds value to your learning. Okay, chalo. So without further ado, let me today discuss another tool. This is a very interesting tool, very important tool. So I'll create certain before I talk about this tool, I'll create some scenarios for you. So there are multiple scenarios. So for example, your client came to you and asked you that I want to know about uh, let's say a company called Luxo Oncology. Okay. So if he says that I want to know about Loxo oncology, but now Loxo oncology is actually acquired by Eli Lilly. I know that. I'm just telling you the scenario. So uh, just give me a second. So yeah, Luxo Oncology is now acquired by Eli Lilly. It got acquired in 2019, if I'm not wrong. So how would you do that? Or if your client asks you that, can you check and tell me that, Eli Lilly got how many molecules from Luxo Oncology? What were all those molecules? How would you be able to do that? The question can come in multiple forms. Again, I have taken one Loxo oncology and Eli Lilly example, but there could be multiple other examples. There could be another scenario that, client wants you to tell them that they have one molecule in their, in their view, and this molecule, they're saying that no, this molecule was in the company pipeline, in company access pipeline, just 3 months back, and now they're not able to figure it out, whether they have decommissioned it, was it there actually or not. So they're not really sure about it. That's the second scenario. Then comes the third scenario where, you know there was a company which has gone bankrupt, and obviously they had one molecule, but now you're not sure which indication was that molecule. Okay, so these are like first three scenarios which came to my mind, but there could be multiple other scenarios. So there is one commonality within all these scenarios, and that commonality is that you need to find out an information about a company or a molecule which is no longer existing on the web at the moment. Why? Because see, in all these scenarios, scenario number one, company got acquired. So after a certain period of time, unless the acquirer creates this company as a subsidiary, they won't even have a website. And even if in the case they have created it as a subsidiary, then also a lot of press release, corporate presentations, all these would have been lost because a new website won't have uh, the older details or the archives. So you'll lose all your press releases, all your corporate presentations, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's the same thing. Now, if the company is defunct, if the company is defunct because of bankruptcy or something like that, in that scenario also, the website does not exist now. And in the third scenario, neither the company is acquired nor it is defunct, but client wants to know whether the molecule A on the company X website is was even a product of theirs, or someone else, or they're just remembering something which was not there. So in all these three scenarios, basically, either there is no website, there are two scenarios, either there is no website or there is a website, but you no longer have the old information. So in all these scenarios, you would always think that I may have a or might have a time machine, and I can go back in the past and check out whether the website is there or not, or what molecule are there on the website, and so on and so forth. So I cannot give you a time machine, but yeah, something similar is what I am here to give you all. So this website is called Wayback Machine. So let me tell you how it works. So if you go on Google, okay, if if you go on Google, search for Wayback Machine. So it's basically an internet archive. So this website is basically uh, it's an archive for nearly all the websites on present on the internet today and in the past. They create multiple pages history of these websites basically, and they keep it on their server. So once I look click on this, I'll go to this page. Oh, sorry. Let me show you. I'll go on to this page. It will show me like this. Okay. So for example, I want to search for cell gene or Loxo oncology. So I've given taken this example, cell gene. So once I typed, let me show you cell gene. So as soon as I typed cell gene, it showed me website cellgene.com. .es is Espanol, D is Germany, and UK. So I'll obviously go for .com. Once I do that, obviously it was already there. So you have this much of an history of this company. You can see this. Okay. If I go on Wayback Machine, it looks like this. You can read more about Wayback Machine here. There is a Chrome extension also for Wayback Machine. It works on Android also and iOS also, so you can use it uh, on your phones. And it has also got an application for your MS Edge as well. So right now I have it open on my Chrome, but you can add it on your MS Edge. Firefox, usually people don't use Firefox nowadays, but yeah, if they want to. Okay. There is a subscription service. I have never used it, but yeah, but you can save the pages now and then whatnot. It gives you web, books, videos, audio, software, images, a lot of things. Okay, so you can explore this website in depth, but now I'll just show you about the website, how it works. And here you can see it has got more than 866 billion web pages saved over time. So that's how big this website is. So because of this, uh, you know, plethora of information, behemoth of this website is pretty slow as well. So let me show you. So for example, I've searched for Celgene. So it will show me that, in 2024, on these days, they have taken a snapshot of the company. So on this date, this many snapshots, 3 snapshots have been taken. So green is more of working. Blue are mostly HTML pages, and then red are sometimes they work, they don't work. So yeah. So I'll not take this LG example because I just tried it a couple of minutes back before this recording, and it was not working. So I've taken another example. So I hope that clears things. I took Loxo oncology as an example. So here also you can see Loxo oncology. See, it takes a little more time. So, Loxo Oncology, there is a website, a current website of Loxo Oncology. This is a current website of Loxo Oncology. You can see about pipeline, patients, partners, career page on Loxo and contact us. But there is no PR, there is no nothing basically. So this is a present Loxo Oncology, and then it also always say it's um, it's at Lilly Loxo at Lilly because it's now acquired by Lilly basically. So in terms of publication, Loxo has only so if you see Loxo in terms of publication, it only has ASCO, ESMO results, publications, or those sort of or presentations. But I don't need that for that map for now at least. So what I want to do is I want to check out with that before acquisition, what was the last thing it has been saved? Let's just assume that. So what I'll do is I'll just check out when was Loxo Oncology acquired. So realized that it got acquired on 7th of January 2019. So for me to check out what is the last thing before acquisition, um, what was the last thing? So what I'll do is yeah, I'll go here. I again after checking, I realized that 2018 is bit slow, 17 is bit better. So that's why I have taken 17. So just to show you, so here you can see that on what dates they have taken us snapshots of the website. You can check it out. So obviously, the smaller the circle means one or two. I mean single, and if bigger circle, you can see there are multiple snapshots taken. Same. So that's how, which indicates again the green one and the blue ones I have already told you, and then there are the red ones, which are a little unresponsive. Okay, so if I do that, so for example, I checked out Doxo Oncology, and the good thing about this is, you know, about this website and view from this website is that you can always take up this link, use it in your uh, in your sourcing because unless they move it or unless it is not responsive, it will work from any page. If you have put it in a PPT or something, it will work. So that's why. So this is Lockdown Oncology's page on 3rd of July 2017. This is what I clicked before I started this video. So here you can see the whole website, but this is the front page. Some things will, some images or graphics will be visible, some will not be. So you want to see what was it in the company's pipeline at that point of time, we can do that. Okay. The lead molecule was LOXO 101. This is basically a TRK inhibitor, selective TRK inhibitor. So this was a lead molecule. That's why it has its own profile here and patient education, career opportunities. Here you can see here now you can see in the pipeline also, and what all programs they are running at that point of time they were running. And see from here you can see that Loxo Oncology's logo is there without release mention. So and here are the investor and media present, media data, all those things. So let's just see what were the pipeline molecules at that point of time. So this molecule, again for preclinical, preclinical, clinical, it is telling you the status that is again the graph, the indication is not showing for lack of visibility because it's again an HTML page, but you get a zest basically. Yeah, here you can see the information that what molecule was at what place in terms of pipeline. Now, if I want to check out the press releases, see in 2017, you want to see the company's financial reports. You can see from here. You want to go and see the presentations. You will be probably will able to do that, and it shows you everything. And see, I was not able to show you last time, but here is the icon for the RSS feed also. So when I give you a training of RSS feed, you can see that this is how you can put an RSS feed, usually which is reflected here. Again, as I showed you that this is bit. So this is what I showed you. This bit slow. So now you can see ASCO pediatric presentation, all these presentation, COVID presentation. You have PDFs attached here. Loxos 101 and pipeline update, Stifels, Morgan Stanley, and so on and so forth. Ah, okay. So that page was not archived. Uh, so okay, this is older than 2016. So probably that either page is not archived or the page is archived on a different date, basically. So, but I hope you've gotten the gist of it, that how it works. Now you can go into the events. Oh, it is open twice. And you can compare the present pipeline with the older pipeline as well. See now, within the Loxo space, you have within the Loxo Lilly subsidiary, they have created multiple molecules. They have included multiple molecules. Here are all these molecules given in phase three. They have these molecules, and uh, phase two, one molecule, and phase one, three, four molecules. So I think all the oncology portfolio is being moved to Loxo Oncology as subsidiary, basically. So, but I hope you've gotten the gist of how this works. And then you can check it out for multiple websites. But again, it is it could be a little unresponsive also. It could be responsive. So that depends. Okay. So that's one way of doing it. And I think hopefully you should have liked it. And this tool is very important, very useful tool, and useful website. And you can check out for the history. So there are multiple applications. I've already told you, I've scratched the surface. I've already told you about the three applications, but there are multiple other applications of this. You want to create an archive of. So um, I was talking to one of my clients, and I just now realized this. I was talking to one of my clients, and they wanted to create a history of the company, and they wanted me to go back and check out the history of the company and create a timeline of the product, basically. And for a lot of reasons, company has archived their press releases and other. So what I am getting at this moment is 2015 and onwards. So the data which I'm getting is 2015 and onwards. But if I want to check, and the company was from, let's say, in the year 2000. So from 2000 to 2015, whatever happened in the company or whatever happened to that specific molecule, that molecule might have been, you know, starting. I want to see its phase one results. Let's just say them. So I can do all that if I know in which years to look for. See, from phase three, I'll till 2025 to 2015, I'll know that what phase it was. I can assume the older timeline, and I can understand that okay, yeah, this molecule would be in phase one in, let's say, 2010. It must have started its phase one. So probably what I'll do is I'll look into phase in 2011 or 12 for its phase one results. And as soon as I do that, I will, for doing that, sorry, as soon as I realize that, I will start looking into Wayback Machine and then start creating, snapshots, getting data from. So you have seen presentations and a lot of things that are available. So you can create that history again from press releases are available. Even if you don't have the presentations, at least from the press releases, you can create that history basically. So yeah, that's about it. That's the end of today's video, and I hope you like this tool. And yeah, and I think I hope to talk to you all again. Uh, Thank you. Have a nice day. Please do share it with other people. It more people uh, subscribing to it would give me an encouragement that yes, more people are viewing it and more people are using this tool for their learning. So that would be something that would be my encouragement actually. So yeah, and also do let me know in the comment section that whether or not I should opt for going for Hindi or actually English videos basically, Hindi plus English videos. I can do that as well, where regular conversation will be in Hindi, but In between, I'll keep on English. So probably uh, for those who don't understand Hindi too well, um, they can actually get value from it. And those who do not know English to that extent, maybe it might help you also. So, so yeah, I'll leave you at this thought. And this was part 4, I think, of our tracking tools. I will come up with. I have a lot of tools. So you must have seen it on my Word file, which I shared in the starting of this video. So yeah, there are multiple you know tools and websites which you should know of before you start about landscaping and dashboarding and all those kind of things. So and then consulting, case studies, all those kind of things. So yeah, I think if this is of your help, please again I request you all, please share your comments. Share in the comments, write to me. I always put this on across to that you can drop me an email also. You can always write me on my LinkedIn. You can connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn ID and my email address to reach out to me in the description section of my YouTube channel, as well as below every video. I do that. So yeah, thank you. Have a nice day. Happy learning and take care. Bye bye.